What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1992 Ford Mustang Fox body notchback. Got a nice 76 millimeter turbo on here, 5-speed manual transmission, and this thing is the definition of a sleeper. If this rolls up next to you at a stoplight, you're not going to think twice about this thing being stock. You're going to say, oh, this thing's stock. But man, you're in for a surprise. It's got the nice chrome pony wheels. Under the hood here, 5.0 HL. They kept it really simple under here. Still got the stock hood on it. Hood closes great. Let's rev this thing up. Got a nice turbo. You can hear that thing. This thing is one rowdy car. There's your 5-speed shifter, manual transmission, original radio in the car still works. In the interior, completely original and stock, except for the boost gauge, which is pretty mandatory if you have a turbo. Other than that, you would not even think this thing's got a turbo or it's got anything special. Just a great car. And these notchbacks, they're getting harder and harder to find. It's got disc brakes in the front, slotted and drilled. Underneath, we're gonna have underneath photos on the website, so be sure to check those out. The red paint is in great shape. Glass, just a great example of a Fox body Mustang. Very, very, very presentable. And this thing's a driver. I mean, you could drive it anywhere, bring it to a car show, and I mean, you got a car that could win some trophies. Those chrome wheels, that paint shines. There's only a few little flaws and scratches on the paint that you barely could see. Other than that, the paint's in great shape. I mean, whoever maintained this car did a great job. It was probably repainted at one point. I'm not going to say yes or no, but my guess is that it was, because of how nice the paint is. Like I said, the chrome pony wheels, those are in great shape. The fitment on this car is just great. What a gorgeous car. If you are interested in this 1992 Ford Mustang Fox body notchback, please contact us at 847-848-1850 or mgmclassiccars.com. We have around 250 cars in stock at our warehouse where this car is located. We have special financing for these classic cars at great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Be sure to check out the website. Keep checking it because we get new cars in almost every day. You're not going to want to miss a thing. Check all the social medias as well, and keep checking the YouTube channel. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. Again, my name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this Ford Mustang Fox body. I want to thank everyone for watching. I want to see you guys here at MGM Classic Cars picking up this Ford Mustang, because remember, it looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.